Hi everybody, Disney Nails and Beauty here. Just gotta do a little bit of an Amazon haul. Wasn't gonna bother, but I thought it means well. There's a few bits in here. Nail items, and I haven't got the quite a few. It's called today. The first thing I've got is actually, it's not really nail related, but it's for my nail room. I have my camera just here, and I've got a metal bar just behind there, and I'm hoping this, because I'm sure already it was magnetic, and you charge it up. It's just going to give a bit extra light. One, when I'm doing nails, and two, when I do my filming. What it looks like, there's some instructions here. Double press for view, beauty, battery status, and adjust the brightness. Okay, so let's try. It's not sure there's going to be charging it, and there's not, so can't really do a demonstration on that. So yeah, this is where the magnets are. I think this has even got stickiness, which is higher than the magnet, so that's, I'm going to have to pull all that off. But here we charge it up here, and yeah, there you just get the charging wire there. So it's one item. This is not actually for my nails. I'm painting, decorating the kitchen, and I wanted some glitter to put in the paint, so that's what that's for. So nothing to do with nails. Now everything else is to do with nails. So the first thing is these bags of stickers. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I'm surprised actually, I was expecting them to come really tiny. I will put the prices of everything, and I will link everything down below. But none of this, what I bought, was expensive. The most expensive thing was the light, which is not a nail necessity. The next thing is all this lovely goodness. I don't feel like I would use all of these in here for nails, but the majority of it would, and I could use it for when I'm using practices. I wouldn't personally put it on people. So first thing you get is the tweezers and one of these pencils, which I didn't even know that's what you got. And then we've got, it looks like rose gold. So yeah, there's lots of different things. You've got like feathers, hearts, stars, different types of stars, moons, more different stars, crosses, like long triangles, starfish, diamonds, seashells, dots, and they look like little lips. And these are just like little tiny flowers, all in different colours. And then we've got like this rose gold one, we've got a gold one, and it more or less looks like the same things in there. And then we've got these holographic sequiny things again, all in different colours. And then we've got some gems, but I don't know if you can see, it's actually more 3D, they're not flat backed. And that's really good actually, that each compartment opens on its own. So tiny, but they have actually got a raised back on the back. So you'd need like a really good strong glue or acrylic to place them on the nails to secure them properly. And then we got more gems, silver to gold. Again, these ones here are not flat backed again. These are flat backed in the silver. And then we've got multicoloured ones. It's like got 3 sections of pearls with a gold rim, and then the multicolours with a rim on there. And then we've just got like the stars and the dewdrops in here of all different colours. Again, can't really see me ever using these on a client or on anything even so, but I did like the other stuff. And here we are, we've got some flat back gems in here. And then we've got some 3D sequins, and they kind of look like a diamondy kind of shape. And then the last one is just lots of pearls. Again, can't see me using these pearls. They're not even flat backed. I thought they was when I'd seen them on the pictures. They actually are full on balls. How on earth are you going to put these full on balls in your nails? Unless you're going to drill a hole there and put it through like a bead. But no, it was still worth it because it wasn't expensive, like I say. I think it was something like 58 sheets, so I'm not going to go through all of them, I don't think. So you got like lots of flowers. It's not something I really use, decals, but I thought, let's give it a try. So yeah, every one of them are all flowers. Yeah, these are more for me. See, there's much more nicer patterns. Got some like butterflies and not for me. Yeah, these are nice. These are more for me. And there's lots of them. And then the last thing was these. And I can't believe you even get it. I wasn't expecting the tubs, to be fair. So we've got lots. There's 30 different nail foam foils. Now I might do an extra little video on these, just and then you can see how they work, because we all know nail foils are hit and miss. But these was really not that expensive at all, considering normally they'd be £1 like a slice. But so yeah, so you got all them. Like I said, anything you're interested in, I will link down below. But there's plenty of choice there. In this box and the top half of the box is probably my favourite, just because I am not really a flowery person whatsoever. So yeah, I like that. So yeah guys, that's my little haul. And thanks for watching, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.